Hi, my name is Mike, one of the co-founders of BidPoint. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to view this presentation. Now, this is going to be a very brief overview of what our company offers, because if you're like the majority of people who are taking a look at this, you're obviously interested in a viable way to supplement your income. If it doesn't mean having to change careers, take on a second job, become an internet whiz, or push products on friends and family. What you're going to see as I go through just a brief overview of our website is you're going to see that there's a very big potential here for you to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month in residual income just for your referrals. And you're going to see that it's very, very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to our website and I'm going to talk to you a little bit. Now, the name of our company is BidPoint. We are actually going on our 9th year of business. We've done this very successfully over these years, and we are always looking for more people to help us branch into other areas. Now, what our core services are is we help businesses, primarily, we look for commercial primarily, reduce their energy costs, waste services costs, wireless account costs, and other services. Okay, so there's other things that we do add in here, but I'm going to keep those as our basics, kind of our flagships. We do it with a very simple method. All we have you do is you introduce us to the business, because it's more than likely you have somebody you have a relationship with, and then we do bidding for you, for that company, on your behalf. How it simply works is this: most people are getting customers very, very easily by asking, the person that runs it or who's in charge, the guy that signs the contracts or whatever, says, hey, you like to save money, right? And they always say yes. And then all you have to do is make an 8-second statement. Hey, I don't know if I could help you or not, but if you'll give me a copy of last month's, and I'm going to use energy as an example, last month's utility bills, I can have them analyzed for free to see if you're being overcharged. What happens at this point is we have BidPoint, we have relationships with many suppliers out there in all of the verticals that I just mentioned. And what we do is we go in there and do bidding against all the other companies so that we're completely non-biased, and we're going to give your client the best bill that they can get, the best savings that they can get, the best benefit that they can get, because we want them to be a repeat customer. The other thing is most of these companies pay us on the usage, not on the cost, so that again is a non-biased quote. So we're not looking to, we don't have to raise the rates to make more commissions, or more importantly, you make more commissions. So it's really, really simple. So here's what I'm going to tell you to do, okay? Is you're going to be on this website, you're watching this video. I need you to, if you're interested, if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, I want you to just go to the right below this video or somewhere around here, but more than likely below this video, or if you see it on YouTube by itself, then you're going to look in the description. But I want you to set up a launch call with one of my co-founders, okay? One of the co-founders of our company, because what we like to do is not a launch call, but a discovery call that may lead you into a launch call. So what you're gonna do is, if this sounds good, if it sounds like something, hey, I've got businesses, I've got friends, I've got relationships with business owners that you'd like to help them, but then earn some commissions for doing so, which is what we do. We do all the heavy lifting for you. And then when that deal gets done, because we wouldn't have it without your referral, we pay you for that. So if it sounds like something you'd be interested in, you're going to do a launch call with one of my partners. I'm going to show you who that is. Actually, I'm going to go to our About Us page, and I'm going to take you right here, and you are going to meet with Rick. Okay, so you see me there, but then we're going to take you to see Rick, and Rick is going to talk to you through a Zoom. All you got to do is click on the link. You will set up the schedule the time. It's actually a fairly brief thing, because it's just a discovery to find out who you are, where you're located, kind of the relationships you have, and then we'll take it from there. Well, basically, Rick will then set you up with your best course of action. And the other thing too is we do have a few residential services. We got residential solar, as well as we have a residential energy procurement process that is spectacular. Most people have never even heard of it, never seen it, that we've got set up as well. So if you're interested in making some extra money without, again, having to, change careers, quit your job or anything like that, this is something that anybody can do. We've got a lot of very happy people working with us, and so on. So just go ahead, schedule that discovery call, get it taken care of. We'll ask you some brief questions, and there's no cost, by the way, there's no cost to become an advisor with us. We are not trying to make money on you coming on board or anything like that. We're going to help you earn commissions for your referrals, which in turn we will make some money off of that as well. So thanks again. Fill that out, get that information, get that schedule with Rick, and we'll see you on the next videos. Thanks.